Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the base enclosure and wireless module. Removal. Note: ensure that the battery cable is disconnected from its connector on the system board. Important: make careful note of the routing of the wireless antenna and display panel cables for later replacement. Peel back the retention tape and disconnect the display panel cable from its connector on the system board. Remove the wireless antenna cables from the routing channel between the fan and right display panel hinge. Remove the 8mm P1 Phillips-head screw that secures the right display panel hinge to the top cover. Remove the two 8mm P1 Phillips-head screws that secure the Kensington lock bracket to the top cover. Remove the Kensington lock bracket from the alignment pin on the top cover. Remove the 8mm P1 Phillips-head screw that secures the left display panel hinge to the top cover. Carefully rotate the top cover until the display panel hinges are open enough to remove the top cover. Remove the alignment pins on the top cover from the display panel hinges and remove the top cover. Replacement. Note: before installing a new top cover, remove the following from the old top cover and install on the new top cover: system board, fan, RJ45 door, left speaker, front speakers, subwoofer, hard disk drive assembly, touchpad board and bracket, fingerprint reader board and bracket, RTC battery, card reader board. Place the top cover into position on the display panel assembly. Carefully rotate the display panel hinges onto the alignment pins on the top cover. Replace the 8mm P1 Phillips-head screw that secures the left display panel hinge to the top cover. Place the Kensington lock bracket onto the alignment pin on the top cover. Replace the two 8mm P1 Phillips-head screws that secure the Kensington lock bracket to the top cover. Replace the 8mm P1 Phillips-head screw that secures the right display panel hinge to the top cover. Route the wireless antenna cables through the routing channel between the fan and right display panel hinge. Connect the display panel cable into its connector on the system board and replace the retention tape. Route the display panel cable through the routing channel on the top cover.